What a mess. Let me clean this up. New year, new me. It's 4 p.m. on January 1st, 2022. And I'm drinking my first coffee. Why is that and why am I doing this video? I was sitting quietly 2 days ago and I felt inspired to write a tweet like this. You know, this kind of tweet that goes, yay, 2021 was great, I'm planning to do so much more in 2022. And I wrote it and of course no one liked it. But one of my followers wrote a comment. This comment mentioned something called build and sell 30 or build sell 30, which means in January spend 30 days building a SaaS project, so software as a service project, and try to sell it on this kind of Amazon for startup platform. And it's kind of hard because in January I was having two plans. One was to record more of videos about Lens, of course, but the second thing is I need to edit that out of my next video because I'm speaking right now about this. I signed up for Casey Neistat Film School class and it's starting January 10th, so I have 10 days until it starts. It's not the usual kind of class that you would think, it's more active one. It starts, as I mentioned, January 10th, and I think it will be 30 days of hard work on my filmmaking skills and basically storytelling. This is what I'm hoping to get from it. And there is this 30-day challenge starting today. I of course immediately thought, okay, combine those two together. So make video every day on YouTube. Very short one, don't stick to like 5 or 8 minute mark or anything. Make a very short film about the progress of these SaaS projects that you're making. And my brain was like, yeah, that's a great idea. So that's why I'm recording this, and I'll be participating in this 30-day challenge. I have one idea which I will talk in a minute. These videos won't be that good because I want to post daily for 30 days on YouTube, which is scary and I don't know if I'm capable of doing that. But anyway, I'm taking this as an opportunity to grow as a filmmaker, as a YouTuber or something, whatever you want to call it. And I want to get used to camera more. It's really weird talking to a lens like this lens. So about Lens, I'll be postponing the next video for this challenge. I'm not able to do it while doing this SaaS product and film school and my part-time day work. Yeah, so Lens will be postponed, but hopefully at the end of this challenge I will have more friends, like more people who will be willing to give feedback or participate on the growth of my baby, my Lens project. And I think it will be beneficial anyway. So if I fail, doesn't matter. If I succeed, doesn't matter. If I sell this startup, this SaaS product, yay. If I don't sell it, yay. I will have another product which I'll be able to run and hopefully make something out of it. The idea. If someone met me in real life knows that I often tell about what I did previously before I was a software engineer. So for those of you who don't know, I briefly was a restaurant owner. I owned a restaurant for about 3 years and it was a pain in the butt. It was very painful experience. It was very hard work and it's not for everyone. I mean, you work basically 24/7 and the award is basically non-existent. But I get some experience and it's something that was in my early adult life. It was very stick to my brain. So basically I have a lot of ideas around the restaurant businesses. One of those ideas I had like 2 years ago, which didn't go so well. Basically, I finished the project, right? And the problem was somebody else did similar thing. And my immediate thought was, okay, I need to back off. I'm not going to succeed. It's going to fail. Somebody did that, not specifically that, but something similar, and I ditched the project. When I'm going to restaurant, I see this similar project, and I'm thinking to myself, mine was better. Like, I'm going there, seeing this project, which was the reason I ditched mine, and I'm thinking, I've made a mistake by not publishing my project. And I don't want to make that mistake again, but there was a part of this project which can be separated into separate SaaS project. The idea I have for this SaaS project is very simple. I will call it for now Beeper, because that's basically what it does. It's beeping you. Imagine the situation. You're going to the restaurant and it's self-service, and you order something and you're receiving this weird thing that is beeping you whenever your order is ready. What I have in mind is to use people's phones as beepers in order to replace these hardware ones which can be easily broken and have to be replaced. Yeah, that's the idea for this SaaS project. So the restaurants owners will be paying to know where they can improve their restaurant flow, or where's the problem. Are people waiting too long for somebody to come, or how much time orders are taking. And it's a very simple concept, like you're beeping somebody from the staff, or the staff is beeping you to come and pick your order. I already did some preliminary research, and as it turns out, Androids are a little bit better for this project right now. I'm using iOS because Safari on iOS doesn't support push API. You have to install an app on your phone in order to receive push notifications. There's a protocol which is called push API, which allows web pages to send you notifications. So this is the demo of push notifications on the browsers on mobile. So on the right hand we have Safari, which is not supported, and on the left we have the web page which can send push notifications. If we press this button, we have the push notifications right here, and it's from Google, and we can now do anything on Safari. So hopefully later this year Safari will receive the support for this kind of API, and then our product will be shining on iOS as one of the first ones. Very cool. Feature-wise, it's kind of a problem because I don't want it to be required to install an app in order to do some things. I think it will be both ways. I mean, I probably will make something like you can use this as a web page, as a web app, or you can install a dedicated app which will have some perks like discounts or something maybe. I don't know yet, but there is a potential there. I always imagine it to be a QR code reader. So as a restaurant owner, you're printing little QR codes and you're putting them on the tables, so you can ask a waiter to come to this table, and waiter already knows which table it is because each QR code is different. The second thing is if you're, for example, using it as this little bit beeper that you're giving people to know if their order is ready. I will have the separate app. Of course, this will be 2 app or 3 app even product, which will have the app for the staff and app for the clients. Even 2 apps for the clients. The app for the staff will be generating, for example, the QR code for this particular order. I don't know, it will be the number of the receipt to recognize, or it's very like every restaurant has it differently. It will be some kind of number assigned to it, and if the order will be ready, they'll tap this order is ready, and the customer will receive a notification on their phone. Of course, this is a very simplified version when the user doesn't want to install an app, dedicated app, but in the ideal world it will be like they install one app which they can use in every restaurant around the world, hopefully, and they will receive like a call or something, like in-house call or something that will notify them loud and clear that their order is ready. When I'm talking about it to the camera, I'm realizing how hard it will be. So this was the day 1 of the Build Sell 30 challenge, of me building a SaaS product in 30 days. I don't believe I'm doing that. I hate myself. Yeah. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.